Good morning, everyone. Welcome to a new chapter of What About Breast Cancer? My name is Carla Amado, and it's a pleasure to be here with you today. I work for the Department of Public Health at the Hospital San Juan de Dios in Santa Ana, El Salvador. This morning, I would like to discuss about breast cancer and how important it is to prevent this type of cancer. Do you know that 1 in 8 women will develop breast cancer in her lifetime? Isn't that scary? A risk factor is anything that increases your chances of getting a disease, such as cancer. But having a risk factor or many risk factors does not mean that you're sure to get the disease. Awareness surrounding breast cancer is incredibly important as early detection, often through screening, because it can catch the disease when it is most treatable. According to the American Cancer Society, or ACS, breast cancer is the most common cancer in America, except for skin cancer. If breast cancer is found early, there are more treatment options and a better chance of survival. The size of a breast cancer and how far it has spread are two of the most important factors in predicting the prognosis or outlook of a woman with the disease. That's why that when you go to the doctor, these are the two main factors that they check for. A mammogram can find breast cancer before it can be felt. The goal of screening is to catch cancers early. Early stage cancers are easier to treat than later stage cancers, as the chance of survival is higher. Routine screening for breast cancer lowers one risk of dying of breast cancer. Screening for breast cancer is done by mammography. Women ages 40 to 44 years old should have the choice to start annual breast cancer screening with a mammogram, or an X-ray of the breast. Ana Palacios, which is a lady from Santa Ana who is 30 years old, she was a cancer survivor. She came into the hospital and she was asymptomatic, which means she wasn't presenting the symptoms, but when she went to the doctor and the doctor took an X-ray, they found a mass on her left breast. This was breast cancer. But because the cancer was detected on time, the doctors were able to treat her on time, and the treatments actually worked pretty well. Now she's free of cancer. So many ladies out there could be the next victims of this cancer, and we're here because we want to help you out. There is not a sure way to prevent breast cancer, but there are things that we can do together to lower the risk of getting a breast cancer, and one of these is screening. So the Hospital of San Juan de Dios is providing a free test for everyone. So if you're a female, come to the hospital. Don't hesitate, because your health matters to us.